So today I'm gonna teach you how to divide. So first 9 divided 9 equals 1. 1 times 9 equals 9. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Bring down 5. 5 divided 9 equals 0. 0 times 9 equals 0. Now 5 bring down 4. 54 divided 9 equals 6. 6 times 9 equals 54. Bring down 7. 7 divided 9 equals 0. 0 times 9 equals 0. 7 bring down 3. So we put here 8 because 73 divided 9 equals 8. It's always 8. So this is 72 and this is 73. So the answer is 1. Now bring down 1. 11 divided 9 equals 1. 1 times 9 equals 9. So let's carry a point. Let's put a 0 if there's a point. Bring down 0. So point again. 2. 2 times 9 equals 18. Now 20 minus 18 equals 2. Now 0 again. 2 again. 18 again. 2 again. 0 the last. 2 the last. 2 times 9 equals 80. Equals 2. That's the answer. Bye guys.
Read the final answer.
Now the final answer is 106,081.222.